mini household set. I'm so excited to open it, so let's open it. These are battery operated, so let me put batteries inside. Hi friends, I'm Brennan. Now we have all batteries inside. Let's try it one by one. Yay. This is blender. We can use it to make cake cream. And this is an electric kettle. We can put tea in it. We can make hot water, tea, hot milk in this. This is our juicer mixer. It comes with 2 tiny glasses. And this is the oven. Open it, and inside there's a chicken. This doesn't have a battery, so it's normal, and these are battery operated. Oh, I just love playing with it. So fun. Let's make some cake and coffee. I am preparing cream for the cake. I'm making coffee in this. Coffee. Have some coffee. Thank you to this. I love playing with this. It's a lot of fun. Let's play, baby. I am making cake. I am making coffee. So bye bye for now. See you later.